Okay, so this is how we can turn on the bell icon on a YouTube channel. So you probably heard someone talking about it like, yeah, make sure to turn on bell under my videos, right? So how does that work? Well, essentially, whenever you get to their channel and click on the subscribe button, not only you can subscribe, but you have like three options for notifications, which are from that particular channel, right? So you can have not only be subscribed, but you can also have the notification set to all, personalized, or the none. And essentially, all of these like three options have the bell icon associated with them. But if you want to get and receive every single update about that channel, just turn on all, and that is what the creator usually means by hitting the bell icon. So you can do that, or by default, I believe it just gives you the personalized, which is fine. Like the common or popular videos will be recommended to you, but not everyone. And also you have the none, which means that you are subscribed. The videos that they publish are going to appear in your subscription tab, but you will not be notified with an actual notification. So choose whatever you want. Naturally, if you want to, you can also subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. You don't even need to turn on the bell icon because I publish a lot of videos. Just, it's just a good idea to just know about stuff. It's unlikely that you would be interested in every single video I make because I publish a lot of them. But if you want to, you can subscribe, and that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.